Sounds so gruesome.
Oh. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Lacey's skin is just... Oh, he's got that now.
Yeah.
That's it, game over.
He's found it. We'll go again.